Want a free National Parks Pass for military members and veterans? Who qualifies? Active duty, reserve, National Guard, and honorably discharged veterans. Spouses and dependents with valid military ID are eligible as well. You'll need proof: military ID, DD-214, or approved discharge documents. Bring one photo ID plus any supporting discharge paperwork when requested. Passes are issued at many federal recreation sites and official issuing agencies. Prefer online? Visit the official National Park Service Pass page at nps.gov/planio or visit /passes.htm. Follow the on-screen steps to verify eligibility, upload documents, and submit your request. If approved, you'll receive a confirmation and instructions for getting your physical pass if needed. Practical tips: call ahead, bring original documents, and check park-specific rules. Enjoy free or discounted entry across participating federal recreation sites and parks. Ready to apply? Visit nps.gov/planio or visit /passes.htm now and start your application today.